Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas, your off-road and specialty truck dealership here in the Midwest, bringing you another package as part of that Lmst series trucks. This one here is the Lmst. So we did this package in 2018, did a few changes for 2019 and added something special as well. So sit back and enjoy this video. We're going to go over all the components that are on this package. Now our Lmst truck is really trying to recreate the Lightning of the past in a more modern 2019 truck here. Now of course, back then the Lightnings were a regular cab, also they were a flare side over here, and they were just kind of two-wheel drive as well. Now for 2019, to do that, we have to base it off the XL trim, because XL trim is the only trim you can get a sport package with the regular cab. XLT does not have that as an option for you. So we had to go with XL 101A equipment group as well, and that's going to give you a lot of full power, almost like an XLT truck in a sense, because you're going to have inside full power windows, locks, mirrors, even has cruise, tilt, and then it has, or tilt and telescoping actually, and then your cloth seats and carpeted flooring there. So real nice equipped, almost like an XLT. And then of course we added the sport package as well. So it's going to give you your body colored bumpers down here with the fog lights, and you're going to have your molded in black 2-bar grille up there in the front. So that's what it's going to be based off for this package, all these XLs with the 101A equipment group and the sport package here. Now Ford has been helping us out with a lot of these because Ford's really getting into the aftermarket game. We're able to get some parts, some aftermarket truck accessories right from Ford. So you're going to see that with the hood scoop up here. So it's going to be a painted to match hood scoop, a Ford OEM branded one for the truck, give it a nice look here on the front of it. Now let's talk about on the side. First thing you'll notice is how it looks. So it does have a lowering kit. It is a Beltec lowering kit. 2 inches in the front, 4 inches in the back to give it a nice level profile here on the side of it. So we're, of course, giving it that lightning look by lowering that down. Also, we added 22-inch dub baller wheels on this. We tried to go with this 5-spoke wheel, give it as close as we can to the original Lightning wheels that you saw on those back in the day. And then we also added our own little center caps in the middle there. Again, normally you'd see that Lightning center cap. Of course, we cannot use that Lightning name. So you're going to see our Lmst badging on those center caps of those wheels as well. Also, we're going to see front window tint here. Now from the factory, you are going to get privacy glass, and we added the rear defrost so we can get that privacy glass as optional equipment on these. So you'll have that, but we also window tinted the front. We are SunGuard certified window tint, so that is going to be covered for 3 years, 36,000 miles protected. So if there's anything that comes that's not perfect on that, we will replace those for you on these 2 front windows up here. Also here in the back, you're going to have a MBRP branded exhaust back here. So a nice side exit exhaust. It is a dual tip there, but has a great sound. In fact, before we go on to the video, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little sound clip exactly what this exhaust sounds like. Now all these Lmst trucks will come with a 5.0 liter V8 engine, giving that exhaust that great sound. So with the V8, people love, those truck buyers love the sound of the V8 engine, and with exhaust, it's going to sound great. And having the 5.0 V8 engine allows us to do something special as optional equipment that's available for you as well. We're going to talk about towards the end of the video. Now also on this, we do have the rear spoiler on the back of that cab. That is also Ford branded, Ford OEM. We can get that from them. We decided on this one to do body colored on that instead of black to give it a nice look and kind of blend everything real well there. Now all these trucks also, to give us the best gear ratio for all the torque and power behind this, we had to go with the tow package. Tow package gets you the 355 electronic locking rear gears there, rear end there, to give it, be able to handle that, all the torque and everything that this V8 engine is going to have. Now, of course, the V8 engine will have 395 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. So lots of power behind that, and so we needed those 355 gears for that. Also, we are a Rhino liner dealer, so we added a spray-in liner as part of this package. So just kind of threw that in. So you have your Rhino Pro liner in here, so completely spray that out. We take out all the hooks and everything, so you'll notice they've been taken out, sprayed in perfectly, and that is going to be also backed with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty as well. We also upgraded the interior as well, giving you some nice custom seats in here. Of course, the Lightning's always going to have those nice sport seats in those, and so you're going to do the same thing with this one. We did send it off and had those cloth seats switched out for these nice leather trim seats. So black leather seats with the nice stitching, the gray stitching that goes with the suede gray inserts as well. So all these will have this color configuration with the Lmst embroidered backrest on those two outside seats too. So really kind of trying to bring some of that tradition and match this truck as much as we can to the original Lightning truck. If you really want to bring some of the heritage of the past, you can add a supercharger on this. So it is going to be a Roush Supercharger, since we are a certified Roush dealership, and it's going to give you their 650 horsepower supercharger that's going to be added to this 5.0 liter V8 engine, which is why we decided to go with the 5.0 on all these, so we can add this to any truck, any customer that wants this supercharger put on it. It is going to have your cold air intake and is available as optional equipment on this Lmst package. And of course, to finish it all off, we do have our Lmst badging on the bedside over here. There's a custom design we had, and we had Sign Pro here and Salina do these for us. So we have the bedside decals as well as the one on the windshield and on the wheel caps, as I mentioned earlier. So real nice little graphics that we put on it as well, a little bit of spin from our LM series here. Now, keep in mind, I did mention on earlier about 3-year, 36,000 miles on a couple things, but actually the whole package itself is going to be covered on a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty. So that is going to cover all the different parts and components that we put on as part of this package. So it takes it above and beyond what Ford would cover. So I know some of these things you could probably put on your own vehicle, but it won't come with a warranty. So with us, you're going to get a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty that's going to cover all those components. Now the Roush Supercharger will come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Roush. So keep that in mind on that as well. So a great warranty, a great truck. Hopefully you really enjoyed this package, this Lmst. We sold quite a few for 2018, but this one's even better. And for 2019, I think you're really going to like it. So if you're interested in one of these, we do have 4 in stock right now. Check out our website, McArthur.com. They're on each one of our vehicles. You can check for availability, schedule a test drive. You can see pictures, even a VR experience, and outside as well as an inside. You can spin the car around just like you're right there inside the vehicle and everything. So definitely check that out if there's something you're interested in. If you look at our aftermarket inventory, you can check out all these Lmsts, or you can even just search Lmst and it'll pull up all of our inventory that we have currently in stock. So definitely check that out. If you don't see one in the color you want, we can have this package put on any of our other trucks. We can even order one from Ford if you want to do it that way, and then have this package put on it. Or if you'd like, we can also dealer trade and get one in a certain color that you're wanting as well. So definitely reach out to us, give us a call, or send us a text message at 785-378-5031, or you can call us toll free 1-800-874-6316. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the 2019 version of our Lmst package. I do have a special offer for you. If you're interested in one of these trucks and maybe you don't live real close to us, you can get free shipping right to your door. So all you need to do is ask you, mention that you saw this video on YouTube, and you'll get that, as well as we do ask you to finance the vehicle with us. And we're very transparent about that. The shipping is not free. It does cost us money, but if you finance it with us, we can incur some of that cost from our lenders and not onto you. So that's a great way for you to get a great vehicle at a great price without having to pay for any shipping and delivered right to your door. So definitely take advantage of that. You can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031, or you can call us toll free 1-800-874-6316. So again, thanks for watching this video. If you have, leave your comments down below. Really appreciate any feedback you might have. What do you think of this truck? Give me some things that you like, so I just love having that feedback. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and let other people know it's a good video they need to watch. I'd really appreciate it, and really helps out the channel. So also, you can, don't forget, reach out to me on social media. I'm at Tim Bartz on Facebook or Twitter. Love talking about Ford and Lincoln product, as well as these nice truck packages and even some Roush stuff. So definitely reach out to me if you want to communicate and chat with me that way, and follow me along there, because all these videos that I do, I will be putting on Twitter as links. So if you definitely want to keep updated that way, you can do that as well. So definitely reach out to me. So again, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit that logo there in the middle of the page. Also, you can hit the red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our channel. If you want some other cool videos, check out the ones over here. They're going to be some product videos on all of our different Ford products, or you can check out the videos over here, which are going to be our aftermarket trucks. So if you want any more of those Lmsts or any of those packages, check out that video. Until the next one, we'll see you later.